Hi everyone, I'm Avni Peshkar, and we are going to be having Arjun Thyagarajan, CEO of Wise, and he'll be doing his 3-minute pitch for his company, Wise. Thank you.
Thanks, Arjun. That was a great panel discussion. Thanks to all the challenger banks and everyone else that was in it. So we are just coming from a YC interview, which was intense 10-minute rapid fire. So this is a lot better environment. And in case you're wondering, we got rejected. So I hope you do better on this one. So I'm the co-founder and CEO of Wise. And we are a challenger bank of a different kind. Obviously, we've had two great challenger banks, Chime and Varo, on the panel, been an inspiration to us. The reason why we're different is because we're building banking for the small business ecosystem. If you look at small businesses, you have staff that the business pays, and then you have customers that pay the business. So what we are doing is building banking for the entire ecosystem. So very, very different use case. What we really want to do is automate cash flow for the business. So that way the business has higher margins and eventually we want to help them grow. So we have 4 key differentiators in terms of what we're doing. We are the first challenger bank in the US that's doing both business and consumer banking. The second is we are offering 2% APY on consumer and business FDIC insured checking account. And third, we are the first challenger bank that's using the Visa Direct rates to instantly pay 1.1 billion Visa debit cards in the world over the Visa Direct network. And fourth, we are the first challenger bank that's building a native payroll system on top of the bank itself. So you'd have seen traditional banks do it. They're partnering with Paychex or other third parties. So what we are doing is natively building payroll on top of the bank, which means for a business, they can instantly pay employees multiple times a week, every day. So for example, a housekeeping employee at a motel that works 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. At $20 an hour. At 3:01, when they step out of the motel, gets $100 in their bank account instantly. They can go to the ATM and withdraw the money. Now, payroll has been a challenge. You guys must have heard of 2-week payrolls, 4-week payrolls, net 30, net 90, and there is no reason the businesses should have to wait that long to get paid. So that's the problem we are trying to solve. How Wise works is that we first onboard the business with an FDIC insured checking account. As I mentioned, we offer 2%, which is our customer acquisition strategy. Once we onboard a business, they would then onboard their staff, which means, for example, a business that has 6 people on their staff, let's say 2 W-2s, 4 1099s, we actually create 7 bank accounts. And not just that, if they have 100 customers or members, we also would like to create 100 bank accounts for the customers. In turn, actually the business are our channels. And that way it's creating a network effect where customers can pay businesses instantly without the business having to incur 2.9% plus 30 cents in credit card transactions. So we're really trying to build an ecosystem where everyone plays in the same playground. And our mission is to empower small businesses and help them grow. We are launching June 13th with one of the biggest banks in the world. Again, our company is Wise, wise.us. My email is Arjun, ARJUN @wise.us. If you want to help us get to our vision, please talk to us and help us out. I think we can go out and make a difference in the world. Thank you.